Hey folks, hey, today's tutorial is a song titled Have You Ever Seen the Rain? The artist is Creedence Clearwater Revival. We found it on their LP shown here in the background, titled Pendulum. It went to number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100, number 3 on Cashbox. The song, this was the group's 8th golden single. In 2023, this song surpassed 1 billion streams on Spotify. Well-liked song, so we thought we'd grab it and take a shot at it. We're in standard tuning, and I'll do a playthrough. I'll come back, and I'll break it down for you. Well, a few bloopers, but whatever you do, folks, when you do mistakes, do not stop. Just roll through them. Okay, it starts out with an A minor, and I believe this is the only time you're going to use the A minor. Well, I take that back. In the walk down, there's a B minor. But here it would start out with an A minor, and I would recommend on this song a thin pick. Okay, if you use the medium, sometimes you don't get that. It's hard to get that. There's a lot of folks out there that can do it, but I can't. So I would recommend a thin pick. A minor to an F to a C. And then the walk down is okay. And before, and we're on our G string, so it's G string, open, D string, open, C. Then Then we start singing C. And kind of to get that, I don't know what they call it, but I kind of let that pull off on that C rather than just holding it going like that. I kind of. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the soul. I know, and I do the same thing with G too. It's been come to see what's over, so they say. It'll rain some sunny day. G. See, now we're going to the chorus. F. I want to know, G. Then we go to a C. Here's kind of so there's a lot of work on that walk down on our A string. So we're going. This is like a CB. A minor 7th. Then to an F. I want to G. That same walk down again. F, G, C. And then it's that. It's a bass line in there, but I kind of like to put it in on guitar. So we're on our A string, 3rd fret. 2nd fret, open again to E string, 3rd fret. Then we're at our 2nd verse. C. Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold, the rain is hot to G. It's a walk to right at that point. You don't have to put that in. I just I like it, so I put it in. But it's in the record. It's in the record. But I'm sure it's probably the bass guitar that's doing it. Till C, round it goes. C through the circle, passes so to G. It can't stop my to a C. Down again. F, G, the walk down again. Coming down, sun, G, to C. And then you do that chorus again. This is where I can't do his scream, yeah! Where he goes, and then he does that chorus again. And then right at the end of that chorus, he does that for the outro. He goes. Hey, that's it. So that's it, folks. That's a song. I hope it helps. What a classic song. Hey, hope to see us playing around them campfires and maybe a coffee house. And for sure, don't forget the folks at the care centers.